Thank you, Superintendent Noble and CEO Jill Ludford. Good news about the continued COVID-free nature of our region, which is really excellent. I just want to say a couple of things this morning. First of all, I'd like to thank our frontline staff and our public health staff, as well as the police, for the work that they are doing, and acknowledge that. And I also want to thank teachers who are dealing with the resumption of school and all the issues that presents them. Thank you for the work you do. It's so important. And I think if this past period's taught us anything, I'm hearing from parents how much they appreciate the work of our schools and our teachers. So thank you for that. And I also want to acknowledge and thank the community generally, because I know there are a lot of businesses out there doing it tough and a lot of people doing it tough. And thank you, because it has saved lives. The second thing I just want to say this morning is it's good to see an easing of the restrictions, but I'm going to be Scrooge this morning. It's not party time. I got to tell you, it's not party time. And a concern that's come to me in the last 2 weekends from many people has been how the shops have been quite busy, and that's good for the economy, but people are very concerned that the principles of hygiene and social distancing aren't taking place. So remember, keep your distance, wash your hands, and stay home if you're sick. And as Jill Ludford said this morning, this disease is really infectious early on. And if you're just aware of that, the need to get tested, it's critically important. We do not want a second wave. Yes, we've got to get back, the economy's got to get back on its feet, but we don't want a second wave. We'll go back beyond square one if that happens. There's news this morning of outbreak again in Wuhan and testing 11 million residents there. We just don't want to go there. So great restrictions are easing, but please, everybody, be responsible, especially those over 70, the most vulnerable. Thank you very much.